Hey, what's up guys? Today we're comparing the video recording capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus on one hand and the iPhone X on the other. So follow me around and we'll see how the phones do with video stabilization first. So let's go. Both phones are handheld and we're just walking around. Follow me. So this is how video stabilization looks like, and now we'll slowly pan the phones around to see how they adjust to the different lighting conditions here. You can see the light changes, it's darker when you point the phone down, and that's how it looks like. So let's see if the phones can follow me around easily. So I'll also step out of the frame and let's see if they're able to refocus on my hand right here. See if they're able to refocus, and then the background. We'll repeat this test a couple of times, see how quickly they do with this test. And that's it guys, a quick test of the video recording capabilities at 4K 60 FPS on the iPhone X and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Thanks for watching.